Yeah, most creators have dropped out of social media entrepreneurship or content creation in 1 year of the operation. Do you know the reason why? It's because they have failed to step up as far as consistency is concerned. When I'm talking about consistency, I mean in every game on social media, you need to have a schedule as far as uploading, premiering, or even writing or going live on your social media platforms. When I'm talking about social media platforms, I'm talking about Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or just name all those social media platforms that you really see people are actively and people are saying they are earning money online. So almost around 50% of new creators that start in a year, you find almost 45% of them drop down before 1 year end in the operation. The reasons are very many, and it's about them stepping up the game of scheduling, of coming live. But in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how do I do it. I manage two YouTube channels, two Facebook channels, and I also manage TikTok. So I'm going to show you the easiest way. One will wonder, say, when do you post? When do you go live? This is a time when sometimes someone will be calling you when you're sleeping because has seen something being posted. And when you don't pick, they're like, what? You didn't pick our phone. Why didn't you? They don't know this trick. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady. In today's video, I'm going to need you to be having either your laptop or your smartphone. Being a content creator, and if you want to make money, you make sure at least you have a smartphone. Having a laptop is another added advantage, but it's not a must. You can start with your smartphone, whether it is Android or whether it is iPhone, provided it can be connected with internet or with data. You guys, don't touch the dial. This mind-blowing video is going to make you love how to be a content creator as far as passive income, content creation, and even making it be your full-time job or side hustle, even when you're doing another job. So, special thanks to guys, gentlemen and ladies who always on my videos, who are always YouTube, Facebook. To the subscribers, please, you're in the right place. Get what you can. And if you can't do it, you write in the comment section. We'll make you understand it more. Disclaimer, guys. I'm giving you 10% of what we do. This video is for educational purposes. It is, you can sort of entertainment. If you want to learn, please, you can go ahead and do your research. See, are they workable? If you can do it, go ahead and do it. If you can't do it, you can drop it. So, how do you exactly be consistent? How do you fight not to be among the 45% out of 50% of the people that always drop out and they say there is no money in social media, there is no money on Facebook, on YouTube? Consistency is the key. You might have good ideas, you might have good editing skills, you might have good communication skills, you might have a best niche on earth, but you are not consistent. So if you want to be consistent, there is something I want to show you. I've been telling you about, I call it mob or massive filming and other things. You find you're doing filming like 10 videos in a day, or you can also edit 5 videos in a day. But what about making sure that you can premiere them on a daily basis? Is it simple? Yes, it is simple if you come to know this. So we are going to talk about rescheduling your videos, your posts on social media platforms. As I told you, I'm going to go with you. This video is going to be short and precise because I want you to know how to make this money online, on social media, on a daily basis. Apart from bunch recording, bunch editing, using the tools like AI tools to give you ideas, there is one: rescheduling. And rescheduling is measured on all platforms. You don't need to pay some amount of money. No, it is free. Can we start now? Can I tell you that as I record this video, there are other videos already moving. They are already premiering, poster premiering. Am I there? No, I'm not there. But there is a time I sat down and I rescheduled all. So I want us to go to Facebook. Go to Facebook. Can you see on the right now? I'm going to put the screenshot here, or the screen recording. This is what I mean. Rescheduling. You can reschedule everything that you want to premiere or to post on a certain day. Like this, like today, you can see this. I had to, the day before, I always reschedule for 2 days. Yes, you go to Facebook. And Facebook, if you want to schedule, you can do it from Facebook itself or Meta Suites. But what I do, I go to reschedule. Instead of going to post, you put reschedule. So you reschedule depending on the time zone you want. If you want it, your post to be every after 1 hour, it's up to you. And the good news is you can go back and feel like you want to reschedule. Like, for example, if you have put this post to be at 7 and you feel maybe it should come earlier, you go back to Meta Suites, click there, reschedule. You go back, you edit, you reschedule. So you can reschedule the posts, the videos for the next 3 days. Yes, even 1 week. Then we go to YouTube, the same thing. YouTube, you can reschedule posts, you can reschedule videos, you can schedule everything that you want. It has that provision, like the way you can see. I don't always, like the video that is going to be premiering today, I always ahead of the time. So when you're there, I'm in the comfort of at work, maybe I'm sleeping, you're like, oh, Christine is online and I'm calling her, she's not. No. One time I told my dad, I said, please. Said, no, my daughter did not pick me. I said, Daddy, I was sleeping. No, but you're online. I saw your post moving. Say, no, there is a technique of scheduling your posts. Let's go to TikTok. I know some of you think TikTok is not. No. If you have TikTok, you go and download TikTok Studio. The moment you download TikTok Studio, you reschedule all the posts that you want them to premiere or to go live in a specific time. So this one makes you always be ahead of the time. It makes you plan for the next day or the other day. It will not put you in a corner like this. You're doing editing, premiering, posting at the same time. When you're doing like that, there is a high chance that you will. Sometimes I used to be tired, or you feel you can't do anymore. Even maybe you're in the bed trying to schedule and you end up sleeping. You remember the goal is making money with our smartphone. So if the platform have given us this chance, why not use it? The platform have given you this, we can schedule. Why not use it? Let's do it. What you need to do, I'm giving you a pro tip. Get 1 day. Let that 1 day be for being ahead of the time. Because if you don't kill 1 day to schedule ahead of the time, you will continue in that rat race. So 1 day you reschedule for like 2 days, meaning by the time the next day, you'll be rescheduling for other days. You'll be filming for other days. So that's how you can easily catch up, and you'll not be among the 45 people who are dropping out as creators because lack of consistency. So if you've liked this video, if you feel I've given you something valuable, I want you to share this video. You can comment your mind. Your comments, they do a lot to us. Engagement is the key to making money online. So please go ahead, put your comments, share to everybody, and let's catch you in another video. Bye bye.